Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Nice to see you. Okay, I want to introduce myself. My name is Yuni. I'm from Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. Meta-analysis of project-based mathematics learning on students' problem-solving abilities. Next, introduction. Many students believe that mathematics is complicated. Mathematics is considered difficult if it is incapable of solving a given problem. Problem-solving abilities are critical for overcoming intellectual obstacles and increasing student comprehension. Over time, challenges will become more difficult to overcome, particularly those encountered at work and in daily life. Students who can solve mathematical problems will be able to solve unexpected problems in the workplace as the result of their mathematical knowledge exploration. Thus, it is critical mathematical problems in order for students to be able to do so. Next, to enhance mathematical problem-solving abilities, it is necessary to choose an appropriate learning model. By presenting significant problems in the form of project, you can boost students' motivation and encourage them to apply their mathematical skills in order to solve problems. Numerous experimental studies on the VGVL model's impact on students' ability to solve math problems have been conducted over the last several years. However, in the second also in the literature review, no one analyzed the combined findings obtained in this study. Next method. First, study characteristic. There are several level education. The sample size when sampling, publication years, publication search. Second, study search. Study search. The study search database include Google Scholar, Raya Publishing, and ERIC or Education Research Information Center. Inclusion criteria. You look this January 2014 to April 2021. Next, an experimental or quasi-experimental method. And then this study cover the group need in the meta-analysis and extraction. Yes, you look this. And fourth, coding. Data coding sheet is need as a meta-analysis instrument to support the reliability level. And then you look this last, data analysis. Exercise analysis was aided by the use of the CMA or Comprehensive Meta-Analysis version 3.3 software. The Cohen exercise is used to interpret small, moderate, large, and very large. Next, result and discussion. You look the result of coding are carried out by the research and two professional coders in the field of meta-analysis. The table is the characteristic studies data, right? The next, result of publication bias analysis. Effect size distribution for 12 studies analysis are quite symmetrical. Next, you look this about effect size analysis. This table about data on the magnitude of the effect size for each study. Okay, 8 by CMA software to analyze 12 studies. The effect size range from 0.669 to 4.169. Next, effect size analysis. This means a significant difference in implementation the VGVL model on students' mathematical problem-solving abilities. Yeah. Next, this table Analysis of study characteristic. Look this about educational levels, the sample size, sampling, publication years, and educational levels. Okay, educational levels. At the secondary school level, there is a very large effect size of 2.171 when heterogeneity is considered. The key value of 4.937 is less than the key table, indicated a significant difference in the VGBL model's implementation on students' mathematical problem-solving abilities. Sample size. Using the VGBL model to improve students' mathematical problem-solving abilities. Yeah. Sample size of less than 31, a more significant effect size than a sample size of more than 30. In the sampling technique groups, that the selection of the random sampling techniques had a large enough effect on the experimental research process that took place at 1.321, rather than using the purposive sampling technique. However, there is no significant difference when analyzing from the characteristic of the study in the sampling technique group. Next, the year of publication. Okay, the following studies group characteristic in the year of publication, that the number of publication has varied significantly over time. Additionally, the magnitude of the effects observed in 2014, 2017, and 2019 was relatively large. Analysis in the heterogeneity analysis, there was a significant difference in the effect size in terms of the characteristic of the study publication year, with the key value being 15.123 greater than the key table was 11.070. Publication sources reveals that the total number of sources for article in journal is greater than the total number of sources for journals and theses, with a greater effect size of 1.458. Heterogeneity analysis revealed that the key value was 3.964, less than the key value was 3.964, less than the key table. Conclusion, yeah. Total studies with effect size ranging from 0.669 to 4.169 were analyzed. Meta-analysis study results indicate that implementing the VGBL model is significantly more effective than using conventional mathematical problem-solving models. The effect model used is 1.284, which is considered significant at a 0.05 p-value. This is followed by additional analysis in the form of a study characteristic analysis, necessary for mathematics teachers and researchers to understand that the VGBL more effectively applied to secondary school education when the sample size is less than 31. Technique of taking tends to be random techniques. Research published in journals, and year after year the VGBL, their research tends to experience growth. Thank you so much for great attention, ladies and gentlemen. May all those I have shared be beneficial for all of us. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.